Hello students, we are continuing our chapter Be My Multiple, I Will Be Your Factor, 6th chapter. Today I will explain page number 88. Topic is Who is Mondu waiting for? Mondu cat is waiting for somebody. Do you know for whom he is waiting? There is a trick to find out. Here we have given 60 boxes from number 1 to 60. Each box has given different colors, and below these boxes we have given some tricks and a question to find out who is hiding from Mondu or whom Mondu want to find out. See, that first trick given here is mark with a red dot all the numbers which can be divided by 2. Students, we know that all the even numbers we can divide by 2 without remaining any reminders, without leaving any reminder. So number 2, 4, 6, 8, that means all the even numbers, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34, 36, 38, 40, 42, 44, 46, 48, 50, 52, 54, 56, 58, 60. All these are even numbers. These numbers can be divided by 2 without leaving remainder. So these numbers we have to give red dots above these numbers. Here I have showed it. All the even numbers I given the red dots on the top of that boxes. Now the next trick given here is mark a yellow dot on the numbers which can be divided by 3. So next one is the numbers which can be divided by 3 without any remainder has to give yellow colors. We know that all the numbers we can take the multiples of 3. So 3, first multiple of 3, second is 6, third one 9, fourth one 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30, 33, 36, 39, 42, 45, 48, 51, 54, 57, 60. Above these boxes, above the top of these numbers, we have to give yellow colors because these are the multiples of 3. And another trick is put a blue dot on the numbers which can be divided by 4. That means the numbers which can be divided by 4 without leaving any remainder have to give blue colors. So first number which can be divided by 4 is 4. That means 4 can be divided by 4 one time completely. The next one is 8. That means the 8 is the second multiple of 4. After 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40, 44, 48, 52, 56, 60. These are the numbers which can be divided by 4 completely without leaving any remainder. So all the numbers or all the dots which are given red dots are the multiples of 2. The dots which are on the top of the numbers are all numbers are the multiples of 3, and the blue dots numbers are all the multiples of 4. These are the multiples of 2, 3 and 4. So which are the common multiples? The common multiples we can select from these numbers. See, here on top of the 4 there are 2 dots, that means red and blue. That means this is the common multiple of 2 and 4. Like that we can find that 8 also. In 8 also there are 2 dots, red and blue. So these 2 are the common multiples of 2 and 4. Like that here in the number which 12 there are 3 dots. That means the 12 is a common multiple of all the 3 numbers. That means 2, 3 and 4. Now here we have asked which are the boxes which have dots of all 3 dots or all the 3 colors. That means from this box we have given 3 colors of different numbers, and we have to find in which numbers have all the 3 dots came. See, first one is 12. On the top of the 12 there are all the 3 colors on the top of that number. And next one is, you see that after 12 the 20 after that 24. 24 is there. There are on the top of that number also there are three colors, red, yellow and blue. And next one is 36. On the top of 36 also there are three numbers, three colors, red, yellow and blue. That means this number is also multiple of 2, 3 and 4. Next one is 48. See that 48. 48 on the top there are three colors, we can see three dots. So this number 48 is also common multiple of all the three numbers. And last one is on the top of 60. Number 60 there are also three dots, red, yellow and blue. So these numbers, that means we can say that 12, 24, 36, 48 and 60. All these numbers are the common multiples of 2, 3 and 4. That means if two colors are came there, that number is the common multiple of the given numbers. And if three dots came, that number is the common multiple of all the three numbers. From this, now we found the common multiples. Among this, we have to find the lowest number or the smallest number. In this number, the smallest one is 12. 12, 24, 36, 48, 60. Among that, 12 is the smallest number. So the LCM of 2, 3 and 4 is 12. Now here we have to find who is hiding from Mondu. For that, read the next question. What are the letters on the top of those boxes? That means the box which have all the three dots, which numbers having? 12, 24, 36, 48, 60. On the top of that, one letter also given. Arrange these letters in order. The first one on the top of 12 is M. And the top of 24 is O. So M we have to write on the given box, which has given on the lower side of that page. And the next number is 36. On the number 36, the letter is U. And next number is 48. That is S. And the letter on the top of 60 is E. So we have to write these letters in order. So what is the first number? M, O, U, S, E. So who is hiding from Mondu? Mouse is hiding from Mondu. You write the answer there, M-O-U-S-E, mouse in that box. Now we will move to next page, page number 89. That is a game. Now see what is that game. The method is everyone stand in a circle. One by one say 1, 2, 3 the numbers and select any one of the number. And suppose if you select the number 3, the number which can be divided by 3 has to say mu. That means the next multiple of 3, or the number which can be divided by 3, the student which will get the number same, he has to say instead of the number mu. Suppose the next number divided by 3 is 6. So instead of 6, that player should say then instead of the number mu, he has to say mu. The next number of multiple of 3 is 9. So in 6, 7, 8, after that instead of 9, the student should say 9. In this way, now see how can we play this game. Everyone stands in a circle. One player calls out 1, the next player says 2 and so on. A player who has to call out 3 or a number which can be divided by 3 has to say mu. So one student has to say 3. The next number which is divisible by 3 is 6. Instead of 6, the child or the player who got the number 6, he has to say instead of 6 mu. The next number is 9. Instead of 9, the player has to say mu. In this way, the game will continue, and the last player, that is, who will be out of this game? One who forget to say mu. Instead of numbers, the players have to say mu instead of the multiples of the selected number or the multiple of these 3. If anybody forgot to say mu, instead of that, if anyone is saying the number, that player will be out of the game. And last, which number did you replace? And last, the player left is the winner. So the one player will be left after the game. That player will be the winner of this game. This is a type of game, any number we can select. Suppose example 4. Select number 4. The next multiple or the next number which is divisible by 4 is 8. Instead of 8, that player has to say a mu. The next number is 12. Instead of 12, player has to say mu. In this way, we can select any number and we can play this type of games. Now here asking, which numbers did you replace with mu? Which numbers we can replace instead of, which numbers we can replace with the word mu? These are the multiples of 3, 3, 6, 9, 12. The next number is 12 that I have given there. 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27 and 30. The players who got these numbers have to say in mu instead of these numbers. So these are the numbers we can replace with the word mu. Now what is given in the next below this? We say these numbers are the multiples of 3. That means 3, 6, 9, 12, all these are the multiples of 3. Now play the game by changing the number to 4. That already I told. We can change this number. Instead of 3, we can select 4. So what will be the numbers coming instead of multiples of 4? We can using the word mu. 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36 and 40. These numbers we can replace by mu because these are the multiples of 4. Now here, now which numbers did you replace with mu? That I already told. 4, 8, 12 and 16 are replaced by mu. Now write any 10 multiples of 5. So take the multiplication table of 5 and write them 10 multiples of 5. Here I have written that first multiple is 5, second is 10, third 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. These are the first 10 multiples of 5. Now the next topic, page number 90, I will explain tomorrow.